This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Lori.strickland. Available immediately. Open house Saturday, April 30, 2022, 1 to 3 p.m. 3 blocks to the bay. Side-by-side washer/dryer hookup. Pets considered on a case-by-case basis, and will require additional pet deposit. No smoking. Rental application process through National Tenant Network. Application fee $25 per adult, cash or cashier's check. Multi-year lease is A+. For more information, review the details below.